Hi everyone, today I want to introduce a product named Miao Kids. This product is specially developed for age 3 to 8 kids. So this math game of different levels contain recognizing numbers, operation and symbols, shapes and space, time and money, logic and inference. So let me show you the demo. You need to connect the pad, connect to Bluetooth with the iPad or phone.
Welcome to thinking practice.
So this level is pre-kindergarten and we have different games. Kindergarten basic, kindergarten proficient, and also grade 1 basic, grade 2 basic, senior grade, funny lab, and also funny learn. So this is matching numbers, and inside the games got 1 to 10, level 1 to 10, and these games for children 3 to 4 ages. So we choose the first one.
What is this number?
What is this number?
Show magic if you are right.
So you choose the cubes. So you choose the cubes. So what if the children make it wrong? Oh, this is number 2, not number 3. So we need to choose the correct one. Which one is number 3? So is it this one? So now we choose the knowing shapes games.
Which shape is the missing part of the picture?
Which?
Find it.
So which shape?
Triangle. Yeah. Oops, not quite. Give it one more try. You got it. Here we have prepared many interesting games and opportunities to learn more about. Which number hole is the little monster popping out of? Use the right magic number cube to catch it. 4. Excellent. 5. 1. Excellent. Excellent. 3. I'm sorry, that's not quite